Unfortunately, we are certain that 19 of our compatriots have lost their lives, and there are hundreds of homes destroyed. From what we discussed with the president-elect, these numbers will almost certainly rise significantly, and it is very likely that we will have more than 1,000.
I arrived last night at 2 a.m. because I work in the north. I came just to help this morning. The houses were destroyed. There was an intense smell of burning, and many neighbors were left with only the clothes on their backs.